Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your payment history on Amazon Music. If you want to keep track of your subscriptions, purchases, and receipts effortlessly, then you can easily check your payment history. Open a web browser and log into music.amazon.com, or you may also open up the Amazon Music app on your preferred device. Make sure that you're logged in, and once you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, tap on your Amazon Music settings. On the next page or the tab, you will see this interface where you can select See Payment History. You'll then be able to see all of your payment histories on the page. You can see your past charges, including subscription fees and music purchases on the page. So that is how you easily see your payment history. If you can't see your payment history, make sure you are signed in with the correct Amazon account that made the purchases. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you and stay tuned.